That beauty tutorial on social media might influence more than what your teen buys. It may also increase their exposure to hormone-disrupting chemicals, a new study warns. Researchers surveyed 143 high school students about their use of personal care products, from shampoo and deodorant to skincare, fragrance, and makeup. Students who followed social media influencers with product lines reported using 30% more products in the previous 24 hours. Those who watched hair or beauty tutorials used 40% more. Researchers say this matters because some personal care products contain chemicals such as phthalates, parabens, and phenols, which have been linked to hormone disruption and cancer risk. Girls reported using a median of 14 products a day, twice as many as boys. Overall, students used about as many personal care products as adults in previous studies, but adolescence may be a particularly sensitive time for chemical exposure. As the lead author explains, they are undergoing rapid changes, including in their hormone systems. Some students were concerned, but just 19% said they regularly read ingredient lists. Researchers say future studies could also use urine tests to measure teens' actual chemical exposure.